Good morning, children. In the previous class, we had studied about evaporation, factors affecting evaporation. And what is evaporation? Evaporation is a process in which the liquid is converted into vapor state below the boiling point. At any temperature below the boiling point. Important is below the boiling point. Now, let us perform an activity to see. Today, we will study evaporation causes cooling, and let us perform an activity to see how evaporation causes cooling. Let us take acetone or any nail paint remover, you can have it. Take this and put a few drops on the palm or just opposite side, you can put anywhere. You just put this and now see what happens. You can see it has almost evaporated. I put it in front of you. Now it has almost evaporated. And when nothing is there visible on the skin, on the hand, you can see, you can feel something. That is, in this particular area where I had put a few drops of acetone or the nail paint remover, I can feel only in this particular area cool. It is very cool. And the other regions are not that cold. Only in this particular region I can experience some coolness. Why it is so? Now the reason behind this is here, evaporation causes cooling. Now what happened? This liquid nail paint remover, it got evaporated and it caused cooling. How it happened? That when I put this nail paint remover or acetone in my hand, what happened? This absorbed the heat. My body temperature is there. The body is having heat. Its temperature let it be 37 degrees centigrade. Now what happened? Here also the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. This acetone has absorbed the heat. The particles of acetone, they absorbed the heat present in this particular region where I had put the drops. They absorbed the heat present and the particles they converted into vapor state. So here when they absorbed the heat in this particular region, what happened? The temperature, they took away the heat. Now the temperature has become lower. The temperature that has become 30 degrees centigrade, and so here the temperature has decreased and I am feeling cold here or coolness here, rather than in the other places where the drop of this nail paint remover or the acetone was not put. Hence, what happened? What happened actually? When the drops were put, it absorbed, the particles absorbed the heat from that particular region and they got evaporated and decreased the temperature of that region, and hence evaporation causes cooling. Now just think of why do we wear cotton clothes in summer season? The same reason is behind there. Cotton clothes, they are very good absorbent of sweat. Good absorbent of sweat. Now in summer season we sweat profusely. We all sweat a lot. Now this cotton clothes, they will absorb the sweat. They will absorb the sweat, and when they absorb the sweat, this sweat gets evaporated. This sweat, the particles, they absorb the heat from the body. They absorb the heat from our body and they get evaporated, and hence we feel cool. Our body feels cool. Now similarly, your desert cooler also works. What happens? You can see on the surface or on the road or on the roof, we sprinkle water. Now what happens when we sprinkle water? This water particles, they absorb the heat from that particular region wherever we have sprinkled and they'll get evaporated. They get converted into vapor state, and that the particular region from where they had taken away the heat, it becomes cool. Hence, this evaporation This causes cooling. Now this is the final of your chapter. The final topic of your chapter is over. In the next class, we'll start the new chapter with new topic. For today, it's enough.